I've seen creators blowing up on YouTube with just a few videos, and I wanted to try the same. I made the video, and after I uploaded it, my life completely changed. I got monetized, but it wasn't just luck. We will go over titles, thumbnails, editing, scripts, but first, let's go back to when it all started. In April of last year, there was a big trend on YouTube about the fast success of faceless channels.
These two channels right here were run by a 17-year-old from the comfort of his own home.
I was thinking, it's so easy, bro. I know how to edit well. I know Photoshop perfectly. Scripts are easy, and voiceover? I will just pay someone to do it. I decided to hop on the trend, and I started creating the first video for my channel. However, I wanted to stand out from the competition, and I improved my editing skills to make my video as better as possible. 7 days later, after 35 hours of editing, I finally finished my 3-minute video. Yeah, 35 hours for a 3-minute long video. This style of thumbnail was becoming more and more popular back then, so I made the thumbnail in a similar style. The thumbnail was giving one single message. I broke the algorithm in one single video. Nothing more, nothing less. It created enough curiosity, so I just went with it. Don't over-design them. They just need to show the main thing from the video, and the title should prove how they understood the thumbnail. For the title, I wanted to put, "This is how I beat the YouTube algorithm with just one single YouTube video," but I realized that it is a title, not an essay. So I shortened it to this, "How I Beat YouTube Algorithm with Only One Video." Keep the title short, if possible under 55 characters. Put 1 or 2 words in caps lock if you want them to stand out, but if that doesn't fit the title, just skip it. To see if your title is understandable on every device, just put it on the website Thumbs Up TV, and you can check there how it looks on different devices, so you can optimize if needed. Same for the thumbnail. Remember, less is more. The video was structured like this. I was giving the tips on the editing, voiceover, thumbnail, and all of that just like everyone else did. And at the end, I said something like to prove to you that this works, this is my first video, and you can see the results for yourself. It slowly started to get views soon after upload, and I thought, this is it, I am getting monetized. After 2 weeks, it gained around 4K views, and I uploaded the next video with the same strategy, fast-paced editing, good-looking thumbnail, and catchy title, "How to Edit Videos That Go Viral." Who wouldn't want to know that? This video performed even better. In the first 24 hours, it already gained 1.3K views. I was now sure that I cracked the algorithm and that soon I would live in a mansion. Until one day later, I realized I don't want to do this anymore. People watch because the editing is too addicting. My videos aren't valuable at all. I can't keep up anymore. I will delete these videos. I quit. I actually didn't delete the videos, I just unlisted them. Probably wanted them for my editing portfolio, who knows? Anyways, this was my fast start and fast end on YouTube for now. When I deleted, my bad, unlisted the videos, I just went back to my old editing passion and continued to edit for my clients. Meanwhile, I started another shorts channel for myself because I've already edited many shorts before. Wow, these shorts are going good. Wait, what if I showed my experience on YouTube Shorts? The new idea was born. I decided to try once again on YouTube, but this time, my goal was to actually help someone with my videos, not like the last 2 times. I went back to the whiteboard and worked on the new formula. My whole focus was on the script because I realized that it's what you give, not what you get. I spent a few days refining it before I was finally ready to make a video. My goal for the editing was to make it easy to follow with good animations, not to have something happening every millisecond like in the first 2 videos that would distract the out of you. Back to the video. For the voiceover, I used an AI called 11 Labs, and there are always worries. Can you monetize your channel with an AI voice? Well, I am monetized even though I use it. At the end, it all depends on your content and not only on the voice itself, at least for now. I spent a few days editing the video, and now all that was left was to upload it. Wait, I got to make a thumbnail, and this was my first mistake since I started again, making the thumbnail after the whole video. Now that I have a thumbnail, it is time to upload it. Just 24 hours after uploading, this video hit almost 400 views. Of course, it won't get 10K on the first day. I wasn't active on the channel for 50 days, But when I saw that the CTR was 2%, I was just starting on this channel back then, and if I knew this one thing earlier, the video would probably gain views faster. 1 week after publishing, I saw that CTR wasn't really growing, and I realized that the thumbnail was bad. I knew I had to change it, and that was the first mistake I made, the thumbnail after the video. So, I had to optimize the thumbnail to the video and not the video to the thumbnail. Remember, you should always make a whole intro and hook based on the thumbnail, so make the thumbnail first. The text here was small. Nobody could even see it, so it was pointless. I spent another hour recreating the thumbnail, and I went with this one out of all of the other versions. You will say now, but all of them are the same. No, they aren't. There are details that separate them. I always make sure to have enough versions for every thumbnail I make. It could be different colors, different placements of the parts, or completely different concepts. It doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to be clickable. But this all could be different only if I knew what A/B testing was back then. It is basically when you make 2 or more versions of your video packaging, which is the title and thumbnail combined, and you test them to see which one gives better results, specifically views, CTR, and AVD. Well, I kind of did the A/B testing manually because I changed the thumbnail 1 week after posting, but I could get a higher CTR from the start. I would probably go insane if I did it manually every couple of hours. Thanks why, thumbnailtest.com does it automatically for me, and even better, I'll get more detailed results of the difference in performance. So, to start a new test, click on New. Pretty straightforward. Now, you need to choose which video will be tested. You can search here for the video, paste the link, or just click on the video if you have a low number of videos like me. When you choose a video, you have 3 options for the tests: test only thumbnail, only title, or both together. Safest thing to do is to just test the thumbnail if you have a lot of views coming from the search results, because changing the title can drop your rank in search results. Alright, for example, I will choose a thumbnail test. Now, I will just upload these 2 thumbnails out of all other versions, but you can upload up to 10. Wait, I will just add a small note that this is the second thumbnail. I suggest that you leave this tick because how will you compare the performance of your current thumbnail with the new one if you don't include the original thumbnail in the test? Next, you should choose the time frame of the test. Daily tests are recommended when your video is already public for a few days, weeks, or even months, and hourly tests are recommended for new videos, so you can compare the performance on the first day. That is what I did for this video, but I can't show you that now because I am editing the same video you are watching now. Choose the type of test. Classic works like this. It changes thumbnails every day or every hour depending on what you choose, and consecutive would test the first thumbnail, for example, 3 days, and the second one for 3 days. Next, you put the duration of the test. I suggest you go with the recommended, but you can always choose as much as you want. After that, just hit Run Test. When the test is finished, you will see detailed results, so you can see which one works better. The video slowly grew, and after 3 weeks, it got around 16K views, but the 4th week changed everything. At the end of the 4th week, the video had 40K views, which means that in that week alone, the video gained 24,000 views. There's a lesson for you. YouTube growth is exponential. Don't look at the small picture of your analytics. Things can change when you don't expect them. I knew that this was just the start because after 6 weeks, the video had 100K views, and that means that I passed the requirements because this video alone had 4K watch hours, and I gained over 1.7K subs from it. Around 8 weeks after uploading the video, I finally got the congratulations email from YouTube. I was officially a YouTube partner. All of this happened in just 2 months. Now, I am building my business around YouTube, and you can do the same. I will see you in the next video.